Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Devon, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. I want to talk about foreigns today. Foreign cars like the Mercedes, the Lexus, the BMWs. You know they got the nice paint jobs, right? But when you get them, some people just are different, man. Some people just different. They want to add more sauce, man. They want their cars to look different from the rest. You ain't click on this video for nothing. I know you want to see more of that. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We got another project for you. We got a Lexus came in. Customer wanted to add a little more flavor to it. We got a little sauce going on right now, but we gonna give them the whole gallon. We're gonna sauce them up with the olive blueberry flip. It's gonna be a lot of work we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing these wheels as well. It's gonna be real tedious with them wheels. We're gonna color match them though. They're gonna be the same color as the car, so they're gonna flip. Same color as the car. Y'all stay tuned. New Touch Auto. All right, y'all, I'm on to my next step, which is laying down the flip pearls, a la blueberry. I just got done laying down the blue and black base coat. Blue and black base coat, y'all. And the reason why I went for the blue and black base coat is because to get that same image that I saw on dipyourcar.com, this is the base coat required. Now you can change up your base coats to do whatever you want to do to get that background effect, but we're gonna go with this blue and black. Blue and black. Now it's time to lay down the olive blueberry flip pearls. Switch it up. I can't find the wheel key, so therefore I won't be doing the wheels today. But my opinion, personally, I think they look better without them. My opinion. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think. Should the wheels get painted or should they stay the same? You be the judge. Let me know. But we're gonna get this joke outside, man. We're gonna watch this olive blueberry flip. Olive blueberry flip. We're gonna watch it flip, man. But before we do that, we gotta apply our dip coat protector spray. This right here is gonna enhance these pearls, man. It's gonna protect it from the sun. It's gonna help it last longer. It's gonna decrease the water spots. It's gonna do its job. We do this after every dip. So therefore, invest. Invest in you some. It's gonna make or break your dip job. All right, this the grand finale. So this is what you've been waiting for. something we do in every video. It's a quick tour to let you know exactly what we did to the vehicle. We got the Lexus behind us, laced with the olive blueberry flip. Let's go. Quick tour, y'all. All right, we got the chrome. We left the chrome out. Chrome looks nice. It matched the light. All that looks nice, man. You see the blueberry. You see the flip. Olive blueberry flip. We got the wheels out. Matched the chrome. The black matched the tint. Got the chrome out. Olive blueberry. Chrome. Olive blueberry. Chrome. Took it around. We left the emblems out as well. Emblems on there. Got the chrome out. Looks nice, man. Nice car. Can't complain. Older model, but we made it look like a newer model. Guess what? We're now to the end of our video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like button if you like it. Leave me a comment. If it's something you want to ask, you got any questions, you got any inputs, leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video. My links are below. Facebook, New Touch Auto. Instagram, New Touch Auto Dipping. Thank y'all for watching.